Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make my favorite cookies, the chocolate chip cookies. But today we're gonna make them healthy. Yes, I'm making a healthy version of the classic chocolate chip cookies. So this recipe is a low-fat gluten-free recipe. You can also make it vegan. The substitutions and a detailed recipe is listed in the description box below. So let's get started. Begin by adding 1 cup of oats flour to a large bowl. You can use ready-made oats flour or you can make oats flour at home by blending some quick oats in a blender. Add 1.5 teaspoon of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The cornstarch helps to make the cookies chewy on the inside. Combine all the ingredients till they mix together well. In another bowl, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You can also use coconut oil or vegan butter to make it vegan. Add half a cup of coconut sugar and mix them together. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of milk. You can use any dairy-free milk here like almond or soy. Whisk all the wet ingredients together till they are well combined. Hi, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to our channel and push on the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video. We post new videos every week. Now combine the dry and the wet ingredients to make the cookie dough using the cut and fold method. Do not overmix the batter, just mix them till they are completely combined and a dough is formed. This cookie recipe is perfect to satisfy your sweet cravings. They are sweet, healthy and very delicious. Add about 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. You can also use chopped vegan dark chocolate. Once everything is combined, transfer the cookie dough onto a cling film sheet and cover it completely. Then, chill the dough in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. You can also do this by covering the bowl with cling film. This chilling part of the dough is really important. It prevents the cookies from spreading too much in the oven. Once that is done, line a baking sheet with parchment paper and take a scoop full of cookie dough onto the baking tray. This recipe makes about 6 large cookies. You can also use a silicone mat if you have instead of a baking paper. These cookies will spread, so make sure that you keep some distance between the cookies so that they don't stick to each other. Once you have laid down all the cookies, flatten the cookies a little and add some chocolate chips on the top or any nuts of your choice if you'd like. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. You know the cookies are done when they have a slight golden brown edge around the sides. The cookies will still be soft when you take them out of the oven, but don't worry, once they cool they will start to harden. Loosen the cookies from the bottom using a palette knife. Then use a cookie cutter and move it as you see in the video. This is a great tip to give a wonderful round shape to your cookies. The cookies should be warm when you do this. Repeat this process with all the cookies to get nice round cookies. Once the cookies cool slightly, transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool down to room temperature. Once they cool completely, you can store these cookies in an airtight container. These cookies will last for about 3 to 4 days at room temperature, for about 2 weeks in refrigerator and for over a month in the deep freezer. So let's give these cookies a try. So good. These cookies are perfectly crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. And they taste just like your regular chocolate chip cookies. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like and share the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post videos every week. See you again in the next video. See you guys.